Understanding of how you can trade volatility 25. Easy method to use without indicators. You don't need indicators to trade volatility synthetic. So in this video, I'm going to show you the simple step on how you can trade volatility 25 without any indicators. Before we proceed, my name is Larry FS. In this channel, I'm going to be dropping a video on volatility, either 25, 75 and all that, because people have been asking me to do that. So I want to dive into today lesson. So you can see I'm taking a buy trade on this, and what I do is very simple. So first thing, I just go to my daily time frame. So when you go to your daily time frame, though this is just this thing. So when you go to your daily time frame, this is what I do. The first thing I do, I mark out the levels. First mark out the high, the recent high, the high, then the low. Then after that, I mark out the candle, the last candle, which is yesterday candle. I mark it out. Yesterday candle, the close and the high of yesterday candle. So once I do that, I add it to H4. That's 4-hour time frame. In my 4-hour time frame, so I just mark out levels. You can see all these blue line. Those are the level that one represents support and resistance, right? So anytime price goes to this resistance, I will know that something is trying to happen. If you look at this trend, you see that if you look at this V25, you see that it is uptrend. It is uptrend. It is uptrend. You can see it is uptrend. Now, first let me bring my Fibonacci. So all this thing that is doing is just trying to retrace. And this, my Fibonacci, it says that if you want to buy, you buy in demand. And if you want to sell, you sell in premium. So this top is a premium. Assuming that you want to sell, you have to sell in premium down to demand. But this trend is saying is uptrend. That means that we need to be looking for more buy. You understand? So this thing that is trying to do now is just trying to retrace. You understand? And the level of where this thing is going to stop retracing probably is going to reverse back to the uptrend is this place. You can see this line, it has touched multiple times. You can see touch here, bounce, touch here, bounce, again touch here. So this might be a reversal point. You can see, and this our Fibonacci is telling us that this line is also part of demand zone. You can see it's also part of demand zone. So if the price come here, we should be looking out for reverse. So by then we are going to enter a buy trade. So me taking a sell, I'm just making use of the opportunity that this market is going to sell to this place. Then I mark out my trade line. You can see it is clearly uptrend. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. So on my 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see it is uptrend. So now we are expecting price to come to this. I mark out 2 points. Either it's come back to this or this 2 line. That's what I'm looking up to. So any retracement, if I see any price action here, I'm going to enter the buy. That means it's going to be a continuation buy to the up. So let me go to my 15 minutes. In this 1 hour, you also look for a level. You don't just put level. You need to look for a level that is break and retest. You can see this break and retest. You can see this one break, come back to retest and go up. So you can't. So it's what you can actually figure out by yourself. The reason why I made all this line to be at the top is because this trend is this uptrend, so I am more interested in this up. That's the reason why I mark out all those zone area that the price may actually react to it. So now once it gets here, we should be expecting it to drop here. So in my 15 minutes, so if you get value, please like and comment. The more like and the more comment I see, I'll be making video more on volatility, simple step on how to trade volatility. So your like and your comment really mean a lot to this channel. So I actually want to dive into volatility, making video for people, making video on volatility. So your like and your comments really mean a lot, and that will determine if I'm going to continue making video. So in my 15 minutes, you can see now it's doing downtrend. That's the reason why I mark this trend, and this thing is here. I've already marked my zone. You can see it's reacting to this place. It is a zone, and this is where I'm going to take my profits. And once I take my profits, I'm going to wait. I'm not going to enter again. So I'm going to wait for the price to come back here. If this thing is going to retrace back here, maybe reverse back to uptrend, I'm going to enter. Or if it break this line, that means we should look out for this. So it's very simple on how to trade volatility, and this method work in all the volatility pairs, even on crypto and forex trading. You can also see 1 year coming. So this V50, same thing. This uptrend, but now is ranging here. So we are looking for it to come back to this place. It will break down. Do you know the reason why I know that it will break down? That range size is going to break down because it's already doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So there's probability that it will break down to this place, then it will start going up back. So if you want me to make a video that is very detailed on how to do it, please write it in the comment section. Then I'm going to make a video. I'm going to make a video that's well detailed, starting from the crash, how I draw the line, how I draw the trend line and everything from higher time frame down to lower time frame. So your comments really mean a lot to this channel. So if you know that you got value, like, comment, subscribe, share to your loved one. So see you in the next video.